Part 3. Part 3. Can you please make a part 3? Make a part 3 right now. Make a part 3. If you don't, P. Diddy will tickle you. Okay, asking people to make their own sound effects in Gorilla Tag Part 3. Red, can you tell me what sound it makes in Gorilla Tag when you swim? Okay, thank you. Yo, can you tell me what sound effect it makes when you go on the zip lines in the beach map? Okay, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was really fun to make, and don't forget, Jesus loves you.